Toxic smoke kills faster than fire, and our smoke masks and emergency escape hoods are designed to protect you long enough to escape and assist others. Lightweight, adjustable, and suitable for both adults and children, they are ideal for homes, schools, universities, and workplaces. In an emergency, the process is simple. Stay calm, put on the mask and hood, and allow the unit to give you the crucial time needed to exit safely. Each device provides up to 60 minutes of effective protection with good air tightness and is engineered to filter carbon monoxide, hydrogen cyanide, toxic smoke, and heat radiation. Firstly, open the box and remove the escape hood. Open the hood fully so the internal filter plug can be accessed. Remove the internal filter plug. Remove the external filter plug. Place the hood over the head and cover the mouth and nose with the red silicone mask. Pull the strap on the right side of the mask to ensure a firm fit. Please note, these are single-use masks that must be disposed of after use.